Okay, so it's early in January and we've done decluttering December, so what are we going to do now? And I actually asked a couple of people, what are your goals for this year? What do you want to do? And I've got, I'll probably make a video on goals and all that stuff, but I just want to talk about little daily goals. And a thing that I would like to experiment with, now we've decluttered everything, is resetting the room. Now, resetting the room means that you have a kind of state of the room in which your room is, I'm hesitant to use the word perfect, but the room is exactly how you want it. Yep. And the aim is to reset the room basically daily. So I am going to attempt it. If you've taken all that time and effort decluttering the space, you want to maintain it. So yeah, experimenting with resetting the room. So follow me and see how we go.